Introduction: HTML to JPEG conversion is often required by web developers and designers. This task is useful for creating snapshots of web pages or static versions of dynamic pages. It's also beneficial when sharing website designs with clients who might not have specific browser or device access. Understanding HTML and JPEG. HTML, or Hypertext Markup Language, is the standard language for creating web pages. HTML5, the latest version of HTML, introduces new features for interactive, multimedia-rich websites. JPEG is a lossy compression method for digital images, often used for digital photography. Converting HTML to JPEG involves capturing a web page as an image file. Converting HTML to JPEG, direct conversion from HTML to JPEG using only HTML5 is not possible. This task can be achieved with JavaScript in conjunction with HTML5. JavaScript's HTML to Canvas library can render a screenshot of a page or part of it directly on the browser. Code example for HTML to JPEG conversion include the HTML to Canvas library. Designate the HTML content for conversion. Create a button to trigger the conversion. Develop a JavaScript function for the conversion process. Tips and tricks. The HTML Canvas library works by reading the DOM of the page and drawing it to a canvas. It won't work on external websites or content loaded in iframes due to the same origin policy. Not all CSS properties are supported by HTML to Canvas. For instance, complex CSS like pseudo-elements, external style sheets, or fonts not loaded from a same origin policy compliant source are not applied. Common errors and how to avoid them. CORS issue occurs when trying to render images from another domain. This can be avoided by setting the Use CORS option to true when calling HTML to Canvas. Blank image issue happens if the element to capture is hidden or not visible. Ensure the element is visible before triggering the conversion. Conclusion: converting HTML to JPEG using HTML5 is not straightforward, but can be achieved with JavaScript and the HTML to Canvas library. Be aware of the limitations of HTML to Canvas and the common issues that can arise during the conversion process.